Hi there, welcome to this video. This one here is kind of a funny one, but it's really just covering where to go to for help. If you get stuck in Photoshop and you're just not sure what to do, you don't have time to contact us, or you don't have time to go searching all over the internet for the answer, so you want a quick and easy way to find the solution to your problem. Now, in Photoshop, there is actually something called Adobe Help, and it's actually quite a good tool, and it's a good reference point to work out different things within Photoshop. If you're stuck, you come up to the Help menu there, and then click on Photoshop Help, and that then brings up the Photoshop Help Center, the dialog box there, and it's quite a comprehensive resource here, and you can type in whatever it is that you're working on. So for example, it might be the pen tool, and so if I just type that in and then press enter, that then brings up some information about the pen tool, and it tells me how to use it or whatever it might be. So the Adobe Help is a very good resource that I highly recommend that you get familiar with using. And sometimes you'll find the answer very quickly to what you're looking for, and other times you may find it's quite difficult. That's why you probably want to stick with these fantastic video tutorials. But it is a resource there that's available for you within Photoshop to use in answering your questions and problems. And of course, if you can't find the answer there, of course, come to our website in the members only area, and you should be able to find what you're looking for. Anyway, have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Have a great day. See you then. Bye.